क्या टीचर हेलो टीचर टुडे इज अ रेनिंग डे रनिंग नहीं रेनी नहीं कल छुट्टी नहीं है टीचर कह रही कल छुट्टी थी मुझसे मत
Zainab, beta, share it. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Beta, I'm having internet issue. My mobile is not getting the proper signal. So yes, am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Zainab, it's your turn. Come on.
Teacher, there are two types of letter, informal letter or formal letter.
Okay. And which letter we write in when we write the informal and when we write the formal one?
What, teacher?
Which letter we write? Which kind of letter informal letter is?
टीचर इनफॉर्मल लेटर वो है जो हम अपने फ्रेंड्स टीचर्स को लिखें.
Okay. Teachers को तो formal, teachers को तो formal लिखेंगे ना. You can't write informal letter to teachers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Formal letter होते हैं, those are social letter. उनको हम personal letter भी कहते हैं. What do we call it?
Personal letter.
Informal letter, social letter, and personal letter. What do we call it? Look at that. Let me share the screen with you. This is. Look at that. The screen is visible to all of you. Are you able to read it? Or shall I increase the size of font size? Look at that. First of all, what is a social letter? Social letter are the letter which we write to our Fatma Mateen again and again joining us. It's a letter which we write to our sibling, our relative, and to our relatives. Fine. Ji bete, any question about it? What are informal letter? First of all, you should know what is a letter. Fine. So a letter is a return message. क्या होता है return message? Fine. Which is in form of printed form or in a piece of paper we write. Is this clear? So usually we send through email. हम किस तरह send करते हैं? By mail and by post as well, by posting as well, isn't it? Sometime we post में हम डाकिये के through post करते हैं, isn't it? Postman bring letter of our relatives, our siblings who are not living in the same city or country. Am I clear? Or sometime to make things more convenient for us, we do email by using internet. Okay? So what is a letter? A return message. Okay, dear? So There are two types of letter. One is formal and the other is informal. Which type of letter formal is? Formal letters are business letters, official letters, complaint letters, fine, circular letters, letter of application, which we write to our teacher and principal, employment letters, when we apply for any job. Is this clear? All those are formal letter. Okay? What are those? Those are formal letter and we use very official formal language in that. Okay, now who is joining us? Okay. Is this clear to all of you that which one are the formal letter? Show thumbs up sign if the topic is clear. If not, please raise the hand. G. Is this clear to everyone? What are formal letter? Now Kirat will let us know. Ji Kirat, aap bataiye. You should not write anything, my dear Anshara and Zainab. Try not to write. I'll be mailing you. ठीक है बेटे? Teacher आपको खुद दे देंगी तमाम handouts. When you receive copies, now don't write it. ठीक है बेटे? When you receive copies from school, na, at that time I'll be giving you all handouts. Clear? Till then, don't copy it. Only understand it. समझिए बस.
Don't copy it and understand it.
जी please. Only understand it. बताइए मुझे which kind of letter it is. Formal letter. Ayan and Anshara, please open the video.
टीचर मैं बताऊं?
जी please.
टीचर इनफॉर्मल लेटर इसमें यूज होता है कि या फिर किसी टीचर के लिए या फिर किसी फ्रेंड्स के लिए या फिर किसी खास बंदे के लिए.
Not खास बंदे के लिए बेटे. Which we write to official person. ठीक है ना? Which we write officially. किनको लिखते हैं? Like business purpose के लिए लिखते हैं. ठीक है? Letter to newspaper editor को लिखते हैं. Letter to principal को लिखते हैं. ठीक है? Are you getting it? To whom we write? Formal letter is an official letter and a professional letter. We write to newspaper editor for complaining about the garbage near our area, for complaining about shortage of water. Why do we write to newspaper editor? To bring something into notice. Fine?
Yes.
We write letter to our principal. Why do we write? When we ask to do something, we request for extra classes. We write application to our principal like please arrange extra classes. So it is also formal letter. ठीक है? We ask for adding or removing the chemicals from the physics or chemistry lab. We can ask about things. Fine. The instrument, like add more books, so we can request the principal about it, isn't it? So it's also a formal letter. We have to use formal language in that. Clear? So these all are formal letters, official letters. Okay, now coming to the topic. Our topic is social letter. What are social letters? You know, social letters are informal letter. What are those? Informal letters. Or informal letters to whom we write? We write to sibling. We write to relatives. Relatives बोलते हैं रिश्तेदारों को. Siblings बोलते हैं आपके cousin, भाई बहन, whosoever. ठीक है? Is this clear? Is this clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. So our topic is how to write a personal and a social letter. We will practice it. कि हम कैसे लिखते हैं और how many steps are involved in it. ठीक है? Which thing we have to clear when we are writing a letter to our friend, to our relative, and which kind of letter it is. So it's an informal letter. क्या होता है बेटे? Please, you are taking class right now. Avoid eating, drinking, everything. Okay. Now look at that. I'm sharing the screen. Look at that format. You know, when you are writing social letter, there are 5 steps which you have to focus. Fine. How many steps? 5 steps. It's a personal letter, social letter, and there are 5 steps involved in it. Number 1, inside address. Look at that, heading and date. This is the first step, inside address. Here we mention the address and date. Okay, the name is heading and date. We call this step inside address. Here we mention address and date. Okay, now whose address you mention over here? The person's address to whom you are writing the letter. जिनको आप letter लिख रहे हैं, जिनको आप खत लिख रहे हैं, the sender's address and the date in words in a proper manner. ठीक है? Okay. Number 2 step is greeting. Greeting and salutation. How do we greet? Like, my dear father, or my dear uncle, and my lovely friend, my lovely uncle, my dear auntie, my dear uncle. This is greeting. You close the greeting with comma, and then you start body. And the last 2 steps are complimentary closing and the signature. These are the 5 steps which you will observe when you will write a social letter. Okay? Now we will be studying in detail. Fine. What do we do in the first step? Look at that heading. It is the first step. And where do we write it? We write on the top of the page in right hand side. Where do we write it? In right hand side and off the top of the page. Fine. The letter usually starts with heading. It contains the address and the date. What do we write over here? Heading में आप क्या लिखते हैं? Date and address. ठीक है? And where do we write? So as I told you, heading जो address आप लिखते हैं right side में लिखते हैं. ठीक है? On the top of the page, the right side, you mention date and address. किसका? Sender का, जिसको आप खत लिख रहे हैं. ठीक है? How do you write date? The date can be written in full using numbers and in words as well. Look at that, as I have shown the example to you. How we have to write. Look at this example. Let me browse it more. Look at that. There are 2 manners to write a date. Look at this. The one when we write complete month, then date, and then comma, and then year. This is I'm writing in words, the date in words. And look at that. Date 14, month 11, and the year 2020. This is in numbers. Fine. These both are the format of writing date in letter. Is this clear to everyone? The first step is clear. Shall I move? जी बेटे, Fahad is raising the hand. Yes, Fahad, ask the question. पूछिए बेटे. Fahad, you can unmute yourself. पूछिए.
Yes, miss.
You raise the hand, na बेटे? Do you want to ask the question right now?
मिस वो गलती से raise hand हो गया होगा.
Then lower the hand.
Okay, miss.
Okay, the first step is clear, बेटे.
Yes, miss.
Did you understand which letter we are studying nowadays?
Miss, social letter.
Okay. And to whom we write it?
Yes.
हम किनको लिखते हैं social letter? बेटे शमीर, Ayan, you should all open the video. Farwa, please open the video. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Ayan, Angela, please. The first step is clear to all of you. The heading, the date, and address is clear to everyone. Please, thumbs up if the topic is clear to all of you. Then I'll be moving forward. Okay. Now look at that. The second step. The second step is salutation and greeting. Fine. The second step is
Salutation and greeting.
yes, salutation and greeting. You know, we write salutation after leaving couple of lines below the heading. Fine. In left hand side. Fine. Where do we write the greeting and salutation? In left hand side. Leave 1-2 lines and then write greeting. Greeting normally start with the word dear. D should be capital. You know, the first letter should be capital. And we always greet with the word dear. Like dear father, dear uncle. Fine. Dear friend Aisha or dear aunt, in this manner. Fine. And we close the greeting and salutation with comma. How do we close it? With comma. हम comma से इसको close करते हैं. So I'm stopping the lecture over here. Today we have done the difference between formal and informal letter and 2 steps of writing a social letter. We will move forward in the next class. Okay. Is this clear to all of you? Because only 3 minutes are left, let me ask the question to all of you. Chile Uzaifa, do let me know what is the difference between formal or informal letter. जल्दी से बता दें बेटे. Uzaifa.
Yes, miss.
What is the difference between formal and informal letter? To whom we write? किनको लिखते हैं हम?
Formal letter we write to our headmasters, and in informal letters we
Very
write
good. Very good, bete.
to our cousins and siblings.
Very good. Excellent job, Uzaifa. Yes, now Ali Ahmed, you tell bete.
Yes,
Which kind
teacher.
of letter informal is? To whom
Teacher,
we
in
write informal letter?
Informal letter में we can write it to our friends, siblings.
Okay, very good. Ji Fahad, how many steps are involved in writing a social letter? How many steps we have to focus? कितने steps होते हैं? By showing your fingers, you can tell how many. चलिए शमीर आप बताएं, how many steps?
किसके टीचर?
When you are writing a social letter, how many steps you have to
4.
follow? There are 5 steps. 5 steps, bete.
Yes, right.
Okay. Who will name them? Zainab, tell the name of those steps.
Okay, teacher.
The first
Heading
step is
and date,
very good.
heading and date,
Very good.
greeting,
Very good.
body,
Very
closing and signature.
good. Very good. Excellent job, Zainab. Did you all understood it? Ji, understood?
Yes.
Did you understand, my dear?
Yes.
आयशा बेटे अब आप बताइए. What is a letter? क्या होता है letter?
which we write to our headmasters or our cousins.
No, I asked what is a letter. Letter होता क्या है? As I described it, no, what is a letter? G, very good. You are giving the correct answer, my dear. Don't get confused. G.
Sir, 1 minute.
Ali Ahmed, stop playing with the camera, my dear. Be attentive and stand properly. Sit properly, please. Fatima, Mateen, Anshana, and Farwa, open the camera and please be attentive in the class. Okay. You are thinking
Teacher
right now.
are written.
Very good.
Teacher are
A written message. Very good.
written in an envelope by
Okay,
post.
very nice. That's really good, Aisha. Excellent job. So a letter is a written message which we write on a piece of paper, and also we can write a mail as well. आप mail भी लिख सकते हैं, which we can send by post as well and by mail as well, isn't it? हम mail के through भी send कर सकते हैं, and we can send through post box as well. हाँ, जो डाकिया लेके आता है, isn't it? Did you have ever received any letter or any courier? करते होंगे ना रिसीव? मम्मा ने किसी कजन्स ने आपको सेंड किया to your father or mother, or any letter, official letter which you receive from bank. It often happen in normal life. Is that so? Okay. कभी ऐसे कीजिएगा, कोई लेटर आपके पास आए ना ऑफिशियल, तो उसको रीड करके उसके स्टेप्स फोकस कीजिएगा, ठीक है? कि हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन इट, ठीक है? और फिर शेयर कीजिएगा क्लास में व्हाट डिड यू ऑब्जर्व इन दैट लेटर, ठीक है? इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके, आई एम एंडिंग माय क्लास as my data is ending, my dear, and the class time is also ending. So take good care of yourself. Fi aman Allah, my dear. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day ahead. Okay, Allah Hafiz. फहद की जमाई अभी से स्टार्ट हो गई, ठीक है? अल्लाह